Cabeça abraçando.
Ai, vai abraçando.
Vai, Belinha, abraçando.
Abraça, Isabela, abraça. Eu abraço. Abraça ele.
Que legal, hein?
Aqui, ó.
Já ficou grande. Vem cá, Biba. Vem cá. Vem cá, Biba.
Bela. Poxa, Bela.
Ai, que galha, né? Vou sair daqui.
Você tá guiando também? Então?
Tem um pra cada um, vai.
Não tem. Não.
Belinha, olha.
Ai.
Três marinhas.
Esse que era o lucro, isso que eu queria vender de 13 mil. Tá. Não dá. 80. Eu achei que ia estar uns 300 essa. Mas...
Ó, papai. Fala, chegamos.
Cuidado, vô. Hey, ready?
Bora pra cá. Colorido, né? Deixa eu ver aqui. Vem cá, vem cá. Vem cá. Você não gosta desse? Come! Legal, né?
One that's still now. That's amazing. See, it's baby
Olha, olha, é lindo. Olha lá aquele ali tomando água. Quanto, hein?
See if I close up, and then we could always walk around and do it. There's the wall.
afraid to tell anybody. Well, people are pragmatic and
hot today.
well, they wouldn't believe you. Then you just have to find somebody smart enough who would believe you. Who would you tell, Grover? I think about all the grown-ups I know. My teachers, my neighbors, my family. And I choose somebody I feel good around, and I tell them. Then they will help me. Simply, always tell, even if they have to find the right person.
I could have it take this off, like right in the
We hope you're enjoying your day at SeaWorld. Crashing in Central Florida is 200. Tons of streamlined muscle and bone, interlocking teeth designed for ripping and tearing, and a tenacity.
Faz o glubi-glubi.
Nada igual glubi-glubi. Como é que faz? Sobe a chamou aí. Dá um beijo aí. Faz a chamuda. Olha que bonito isso, parece a rainha. Olha.
Two dorsal fins of approximately the same size, and they move very slowly through the water with their mouth open and many rows of teeth exposed.
Ali a orelha dele.
Onde?
Olha ele lá, ali, ó.
Você quer ver ele?
building where Louis runs.
Everybody stand up your feet. Stand, stand, stand.
Ducktail time, get down and back. You Scrooge McDuck and Launchpad McQuack.
Stand, stand, stand.
Here they are, fresh off the trail, the Rescue Rangers, Chip and Dale. To help us get it going today, here's my DJ protege, CJ.
Hello, everybody. Hey, guys. Woo! Is everybody ready to have a great time? Yeah! What are you doing? Show, bye!
Oh, no, CJ. Well, on with the show. One more downtown, Mama the King. Whoa, my God! Hi, everybody! What? Well, Mickey, where did you come from?
Let's hear it for Zoe Gummy!
Stick there. Whoa. Very good. Spin! Oh, yeah. Tailspin! Oh, tailspin! Friends for life, let's do the tailspin! Oh, yeah. Tailspin! Oh, tailspin! Forget your double sides and grin and do the tailspin! Spin it! Spin it! All right, kids, on your feet now. We're all gonna do the tailspin together. All you have to do is be crazy cool and have fun.
Come on now! Follow us!
Push your arms way up high to the sky, start to fly, and now you gotta spin.
Come on!
Push your arms way up high to the sky, start to fly, and now you gotta spin. Spin it as you get there, and when you're ready, you put it in a minute. When you spin, spin, spin. And do the tailspin. Spin it. Spin it again.
Don't dare do that in your
Hey, Uncle Scrooge and Launchpad, what's happening, guys?
This done that class line is right to the roof of my money vault.
Oh, come on, Mr. McGee. I told you I could stop my plane on a dime. Get it? On a dime?
George Pie,